And really, as parents, you haven't got time to always discipline. You want to try and leverage other people to help you with that, to try and build that triangle which supports the development of the 3 C's. If you imagine you've got a child with really disruptive behavior, they're struggling in school academically, and they go home, and you're spending your time after a busy week. A lot of parents in Dubai especially work full-time, both parents. You go home and you're having to discipline your child. Your time spent with them is disciplining them, rather than enjoying their company. Can anyone relate to that? Yeah, if you've got teenagers especially. So if you imagine you're spending all your time at home trying to discipline your child because you want to get the best out of them and you want to improve their conduct and their courtesy and integrity, but what you're struggling then with is relationships at home start to suffer, and you don't really enjoy the time you're spending with them. So really, by developing a child's conduct, by improving their behavior, it has this immediate knock-on effect with the family. Now, if you can place them into a community like a black belt community where good behavior, conduct, integrity is all seen as actually pretty cool and how they should be behaving because that's how the black belts in the class behave, suddenly it makes your job so much easier. And really, as parents, you haven't got time to always discipline. You want to try and leverage other people to help you with that, to try and build that triangle which supports the development of the 3 C's. And that's how it really, for me, impacts family life.